In this video, we will discuss if the trending automatic hair cutting machine online is real or fake. So as you can see right here, we have this video of a man putting his head inside the machine and it automatically cuts his hair. So this may look like a Final Destination movie. So let's see if it actually works. So as you can see right here, getting a haircut is quite a personal experience for every individual, but some advancements on the so-called technology is actually getting a haircut from the machine, and this left the audience wondering if the machine can actually style or cut hair with just a few instructions. As you can see, this viral video had the internet confused, and this was a post shared on Instagram by XDropXAI. As you can see on their name, it's actually a post labeled as an AI generated content. So as you can see right here, you can already notice that this one is AI generated, which means it's fake. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.